What's up guys, welcome back to Static Works. Today we're going to be working on what's up dude?
Hey, I thought you wanted an E36.
Felt like a woman today.
Really?
So today we are going to be doing a couple of things to get this car running how it should and also do some cosmetic mods. And let's show you guys what we have in here.
Really?
Hold on. It's gonna take an hour to open it.
Let's see, ready? I'll set a little time lapse. Damn, bro, that was a new record. That was like 1 minute and 40 seconds. So let's show the first things.
Oh. Ooh.
So he did get the Euro style tail lights and the front clear corners, which are gonna look really good because he's gonna be replacing these ugly orange ones, and then gonna be replacing those orange ones with these chrome ones.
All right.
Let's see. What do you think?
All right. Way better.
Hey, bro, that's upside down, fool. No, it's over here.
No.
What's wrong with this guy?
I like this right here upside down. So much nice.
It looks good though. So we'll have Martin start taking these apart because it's not that. Oh, it's already done, bro. You just need a couple bolts. Yeah. That one you just need to twist it off. It's really easy. And there you go. And then just a couple bolts and it slides right out.
See, anybody can do this. Working on car stuff. He could do it.
I could do it. I painted that. You guys see that?
Oh, bro, you want to go show him?
I painted that.
This video will be uploaded after I reveal to you guys the color of the E30. So if you guys haven't seen that, make sure to go check it out. But this is how it came out right now. It looks so nice. Like really nice.
Not bad for it being my first car.
Not bad, fool.
Body work. I didn't paint it, guys. I just did the body work.
But it looks really good. Like even the reflection of everything. These corners are gonna be the ones that are gonna be right here.
It's upside down.
And that's gonna make it look real nice. We do need to clean out this lens. We can obviously we're probably gonna buy new headlights to be honest with you. But
And a new bumper.
we could probably clean that out just to make it look really shiny. So that's what we're gonna be doing before the main thing, which are these Condor Speed Shop bushings. And we literally have the whole kit. I believe these are the diff bushings. These look like the subframe bushings because these are huge.
It's a lot of work.
A lot of work.
These are gonna be the tranny bushings, and I don't know what the hell these are. There's too much.
Oh, that's skateboarding wheels. Those are mine.
And these are the motor mounts for his car. And then these are the control arm bushings. I also have some for my car that I have over here. These are the motor mounts that I'm gonna be putting on my car as well. And these are 20 millimeters taller, so that means it's gonna clear the oil pan on the subframe, so it's gonna be really good. And I do have two Weebos, one for my car, one for Chachen's car. And then I do have these Condor Speed Shop door handles, which are gonna look really, really nice with the car, and I can't wait to put them on. And the reason I'm not putting the car back together is because I still want to buff it, and since it's not fully cured, it is very, very fragile and kind of like, huh? And it's kind of gummy in a sense, so it can get scratched really easy. It doesn't matter if it's a week, it still needs a lot more. It still needs a lot more time. So that's what we're gonna be doing.
Tired.
So dude,
It's gonna be a long day.
it is.
How many bushings are we doing?
A shout out to Condor Speed Shop, because that's
Respect.
tell them to sponsor us, and we'll do bushing on every one of our BMWs.
All the BMWs in the world.
You'll buy a BMW if they
I'll buy
sponsor
an
us.
M3 only.
And you'll
Hardtop.
still put Condor Speed Shop.
Hardtop only, no convertible.
What's wrong with you?
No, I like. We can't put that on there.
Why? That's illegal.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Fucking Lemonade always flicks around like that.
Alright, then come kiss me, fool.
See side by side comparison.
Damn, the fitment's all whack right here. This is what happens when you get eBay stuff, but hey, this is Hot Boy. You're not trying to have fitment, Doug.
Yeah, they will look so much better.
We're finally gonna be starting the whole diff bushing project.
Honestly, looking under there just makes me want to throw up because it's so hard. It looks so difficult. So we're probably not gonna be telling you guys like step by step because we don't know what step by step is on this install, because we literally have to take off everything. And right now we're just taking off this portion of the exhaust to
Spinning on this.
look at the diff and just fucking go to sleep and not wake up. Chachen's struggling for his life right now.
Their barbecue still should be all soft.
It's turning you on. Oh fuck. Oh shit.
Jesus, that's huge.
Alright.
That's trash, bro.
We could leave like this.
Honestly, we can leave it like.
We are.
That sounds clean.
That's too loud.
What I believe we're gonna have to do is disconnect the axle right here from these Torx bolts or this, but this would leak fluid, I believe. So we'll probably do it right there. I'm not sure. So we're gonna have to do some re-submerge. It is, huh? Oh. Finally just took off the exhaust because it was rusted and we actually broke some bolts, but we are gonna be pulling it out right now. O2 sensors that are all the way the fuck over here, which is really, really weird.
Oh, this shit's heavy.
It is heavy. Weight reduction, brother. Now that the heat shield is removed, you can finally see the drive shaft. And this is the Guibo. It doesn't look in that bad of a condition as I'm checking it out. So that's what we're gonna have to drop just to replace it. We might as well. And it's a 2-piece drive shaft because you can remove it right here, I believe. So we don't technically have to remove the first part, but we are trying to just to replace everything. And then we have to drop it from there as well. But these are the transmission bushings. We can actually jack up the transmission and just remove these 4 bolts real quick just to replace these mounts. And that should be really easy, so I'll probably be working on that. I'm trying to remove the bushings because I actually got the whole plate off. But now it's time to actually remove these rubber mounts, which are being held on the top by a nut. So these are the old rubber mounts and they're in fairly good condition. They were probably replaced recently. It is OEM too, but we are gonna be replacing them with the Condor Speed Shop ones, and they're a little taller, just very little.
A little taller.
A little taller, but they're good. And he's definitely gonna feel these. So we're pretty much working our way back because we might as well. You know, we're already doing all this work. We might as well just hit the spots that we're already going to. So we're gonna be putting these back on, and should be good, bro.
Oh, I fucking stripped the shit out of this. No, I didn't.
Was it loose?
Yeah.
No, listen to me. Look at me. Was it loose?
Yeah.
That could have been your problem all along, swear to God.
It wasn't loose. It was like hand tied. So we thought the bushings were shot out, but we thought wrong, and it's just this bolt right here that's loose. Look.
You could even, I can't really zoom in that much. There you go. You can see the markings that the diff was making.
How much are you down right now, buddy?
$500.
Hey, but either way, we should drop the whole thing and replace all the bushings.
No, fool. We're returning everything back.
Now that we realized that and accepted it, we just got to take apart the brake caliper, take out the strut. We're going to be removing everything because we're going to have to drop the whole thing. I was able to remove one of the axles, and now we're going to be doing it right here with the reverse Torx right there, and then it should slide out. And what we're planning on doing is removing this upper bucket and this arm that we're going to be replacing with the camber arm later. We're going to be removing those and just supporting the control arm and the rotor with a wheel or a tire, just so we don't have to drop the whole assembly and take everything off. We don't know if it's the best way to do it, but we're gonna be trying right now because obviously this is holding it and he's removing this. He already removed this bolt right here, so we should be able to just take it with us. But who knows, we might run into some difficulties. We're removing the diff first. Move, bro. Why you you're like crawling out of there. You good? So cute, Doug.
Watch your hand.
My arm. It's nuts what we have to remove, but now we're able to remove these those, and then just loosen up all the bolts, and then we're able to drop it out. Oh, what's up, Chacha? I mean, Chavez?
He's right here.
Bro, we finally got it out. Holy shit,
hey,
dude.
that was Cha-Cha's thing in the first place, so.
Bro, you're a
Who's gonna do
fucking
it?
master, bro. Like, I want to kiss you right now.
I'm a master
Mickey.
technician,
That's holding
fool.
you back.
Damn, we
way,
need to go to school for this.
way smarter than Danny.
Way smarter, fool. Because we actually have presses at work.
Love it.
My meat so hard last night that my leg went numb. That's it.
We're gonna try to press
My
this in.
It's going cricket, fool.
Fuck Cricket Wireless.
Cricket Wireless sucks, but you know you can save 15% or more on car insurance switching to Geico.
Fuck no, you can't, bro.
Dude, they're so expensive.
Yeah, it is expensive.
insurance.
I got Mercury and I'm paying half
I know,
of a
Mercury is
Geico.
fucking lit, bro.
Mercury.
So, Geico fucking
Really?
sucks. I mean, the Gecko's cool.
I have Julio's, fool.
Shut up.
You're so ugly, Martin.
Who's that?
Oh my god.
Is that the Snapchat?
Ugly.
I tried on myself too. My hair stays. Hey. Oh, literally, dude, you literally almost got your shoulder ripped off.
Dude, what?
Like, not even-
It was heavy. Look at.
scary, bro.
Is it really?
No.
Oh.
Looks like a marshmallow.
Dude, all that black smoke is death.
So our only options right now are to press these out because we don't know how to remove them, especially with the press. So he's trying to burn, I guess, the whole rubber completely just to be able to push it out, but it's gonna be a bitch. So he's gonna have to burn there and then burn underneath. Do you think we could do it or no?
See what happens.
It's the next day and we still haven't finished, so right now we're gonna be actually heading to my friend's shop who's going to be installing some bushings for us because we weren't able to get the subframe bushings out as we thought we would because we got everything else in, but we tried very hard to try to get them out, and unfortunately, like I said, we were unsuccessful. So now I have to carry that damn subframe and then pick up Chachin because he left his car here. One of my favorite features still about my E36 is the Apple CarPlay in this stereo, so make sure to check out the link up there to see this installed, because if you guys want something like this for your E46 and also want Android, then yeah, you can have it. Are you sad?
Yeah.
Are you really sad?
It took 2 days to get it done.
Well,
Well, it's gonna take
we're not
2
even
days.
done yet.
Yeah, we're not done yet.
Honestly, I'm still happy that we did it ourselves because it's pretty fucking nuts. Because I've never dropped a subframe before,
Yeah.
let alone a diff. And
Yeah,
now we know what
same.
to expect.
It was a gang of stuff.
But it wasn't hard. It just
Yeah, it was
time
just-
consuming.
yeah, a lot of
so
time.
consuming. So
And the whole thing is to see if we can put it back together.
I know. So what are we doing right now, Doug? What happened?
We're gonna buy a press full because like they left us in the hang, you know?
We're gonna be probably buying this. I think we're just gonna go for the 20 ton. Marian, Chacha, and I are just gonna go. I guess we're gonna divide it into 3 and just buy this thing.
Okay.
Because it's gonna help us out a lot, especially when we're gonna be doing my bushings on my E30, and on top of that we're gonna be doing Martins. We're gonna do a lot, and this one I guess can handle that. 12 ton can handle that, but fitting the subframe into the smaller one won't fucking work out. We really did that shit, bro. We really fucking bought a press. That's honestly normally how we do it. Whenever we need something, we just go out and buy it instead of just having someone else do it. We just came back from picking up the subframe because we weren't able to push out any of them with the actual press that we got. So it's not necessarily just a waste of time because we are going to be using this for smaller things. It's just, it was our first time using it and we didn't know the right angles and we were already bending part of it. So we were just scared that we were going to fuck something up, and we have a buddy who has one. So we went over there and he pretty much was doing it for us, and it's the same type of press, so obviously it would have worked. We just weren't as trained to do it, but 2 of them he did have to actually hammer out and chisel out, and it was a pain in the ass, so it wasn't just us that was struggling. The new bushings already in and ready to go, so we're gonna be pretty much going in the way we came out, which is the subframe first and then the rear camber arms, the upper control or the upper spring bucket. So we're gonna be putting everything back, and then hopefully we can get it running tonight. We'll just see. We already put the subframe in. And it just gave us a slight chance of hope that we're gonna be finishing this tonight. So now we just have to push that in with new bushings. And I apologize for the vacuum or the grinder or whatever the fuck is going on right now. Holy shit. This is like literally a couple days forward. So we've been doing this for about a week and we just got it running. Like look at this fool's face, dude.
It's all bad.
It's like almost 12 o'clock at night.
Yeah, and we're fucking tired. Is that the muffler?
Yeah. Oh my god, I feel so much better. Like normally, you know how when you give it gas, it lags because the twisting force of the diff. Bro, that shit's hitting bad. You need to raise that shit.
Better than fucking when I first bought it.
He'll know.
Oh my god, bro, I'm in love.
Bro, I have a unibrow, dog. That's how bad it is.
Dude, you can feel the one on the transmission.
You feel it?
Yeah.
That's so loud. That's so loud. That's way louder than mine. But once you get them out to the back, it's gonna be a lot quieter. The first thing to get this car running good, and it is, we just need a short shifter, get some brakes, little stuff like that, little maintenance things, and then we'll be good to go. But hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below what you guys think we should do, because he still has more parts that we have to install and some new wheels. But on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you guys on the next one.